Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Let's have a look at a special van today. 2018 Grand Caravan with the Savaria package. So again, this van is a handy, accessible van. So when I say it's specialized, it has definitely been retrofitted, definitely to help someone who is in need of a van like so. So again, Savaria does all the retro. So on the suspension, they do all the lifts, which I'll show you shortly. You've got running boards as well, which helps people get in and out. So I will show you very shortly. This was just traded in, Michelin tires, good meat on the tires. It's a 2018. The lady didn't need it anymore, so we were happy to help her out, take it in on trade. So hopefully we can find someone that can definitely use this van. Fog lights. So it's a GT2 package. So she had to buy the van, and then it was retroed. Lots of standard features. You've got a power lift gate. There you go. You've got power sliding doors. So again, it's a side entrance van, so that comes down. Again, as you can see, back seats. You got you got all the rear temperature controls. So again, lots of standard features. So if you're looking for a van with the handy, accessible access, this definitely is a good option. You got lots of standard features. So you still have the rear passenger seats. These fold down as well. We keep the mats back here just because it just came out of the detail shop. But as you can see, it's in really nice shape. And you've got a button back here as well. So it's on the fob, it's on the back, and it's actually on the driver's side. And on this side, you also have, oh, sorry about that. Meant to open this. So again, another power sliding door for entry for the passengers to the back seats. As you can see, everything has been retroed. You also get power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Yeah, the locking rear windows as well, which is a safety feature. You got a power driver's seat with lumbar support. Sorry about that, everyone. So you got a power driver's seat with lumbar support. You've got automatic headlights. You have the ability to adjust those headlights as well. I'm going to jump in, show you some more of the features of the van. Alright. Sometimes we get some unexpected trucks pull up and came around me, so I apologize for that. So on the leather wrap steering wheel, lots of standard features, Bluetooth hands-free calling. You got all your cruise controls as well. Just going to turn down the rear temperature controls, which are back here. Alright. So again, I mentioned rear temperature controls, lots of storage. You got some 12 volts down there. You got heated steering wheel, heated seats on both sides, dual zone climate control, good touchscreen, backup camera. So again, side entrance van, Savaria did the retrofit. It's only got 43,000 kilometers, so it's in really nice shape. We're hoping definitely there's someone out there that could use this van. So again, if you know someone, spread the word. They are tough to come by, and I believe they're quite expensive to buy brand new. So hopefully we can save someone some money, and they can definitely use this van. Side access. Keep showing everybody as much as I can how nice the van is. So yeah. So again, 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT2 package, but then retrofitted by Savaria. Side entrance, handy accessible, Michelin tires, leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel, lots of bells and whistles. Great van for someone. So again, share it. We'll post it on Facebook. Make sure you follow us there. Lots of cool things going on. And call, text, or email if you have any questions about this vehicle or anything else you see in the fleet. Thank you.